guys, many of our audience have a same question that should I start my own YouTube channel now or I should wait for some time? Well, this video is going to answer your question, and most probably by the end of this video you will get rid of this confusion. So guys, let's start with the first slide, and here it is that why you not start or why you are not starting your YouTube channel and start making your own videos. So the simple answer is because you are afraid. And why you are afraid? There can be multiple reasons, and I have mentioned all the reasons in the upcoming slides. So let's go to the next slide. And the first fear you have in your mind is successful competitors. You might be thinking that there are many competitors. Basically, there are many successful YouTubers in every niche. You'll be not be the first one in your category or in your niche, right? Definitely there will be many successful YouTubers which will be for the competitors of yours when you starts making videos, right? And you'll think that, or you might be thinking that, who will watch my videos whereas these big YouTubers are creating content? Well guys, the simple answer is value. If you are providing value into your content, then definitely you will get new viewers and definitely you will get an audience base, because if you are providing value, then YouTube itself will promote your content and its algorithm will pushes your content towards new audience, so that you can also get some exposure and can become successful like other YouTubers. And why YouTube will do that? Because YouTube needs new content creators. YouTube wants to increase its revenue, and how it can increase its revenue? By increasing the content creators on its platform. Simple, right? So you don't have to fear of your competitors. You just need to focus on one thing, and that is providing quality and valuable content. Now the second point is lack of time. Many people think that if I start creating YouTube videos, then how will I do my study, how will I do my job, or how I'll be able to spend time with my family? Well guys, if you think like that, then ever you will be not able to become a YouTuber, because if you want to become a YouTuber, you have to bring out time for it. And it is not like that you have to spend your whole day in making YouTube videos. No, it is not like that. You can do YouTubing, or you can create videos while working in your office, or while studying, or while spending time with our family, because we all know that we have some spare time which we can use in order to create some quality content, right? We have 24 hours in a day, and we all know that we don't spend those 24 hours in valuable work. We also waste our time, so we can utilize that time to create a content. But on an initial basis, you can do part-time YouTubing, not you have to indulge full time into it, right? Like other YouTubers, if you see in your industry, you will be able to see that someone is uploading daily videos and someone is uploading only one video in a week. So it is totally up to you that what frequency you want to set for your YouTube channel. Maybe you want to upload 2 videos in a week, or maybe you want to upload 2 videos in a month. It is totally up to you, right? So I hope the lack of time confusion is cleared now. Now the third fear that people get is whether I'll be able to make money from YouTube or not. So if you think like that, if I'm creating YouTube videos, definitely I should earn money. So it is not like that. Yes, it is a logical thing that if you are spending some time, if you are spending efforts into it, then definitely you should make some money. But you don't have to be money minded, right? Because money is the byproduct. If you are providing good quality content, and if you are able to engage your audience properly, then definitely you will earn money. There are multiple ways to earn money from YouTube. That is, there's not only one way. If the one way is blocked or stopped, you have multiple ways to earn money. So don't think about that. Now the next point is lack of video and audio editing skills. So people think that if I create videos, who will edit my videos, or who will edit my audios and all? So on an initial basis, definitely you should create and edit your videos, because editing is not that much hard skill. Editing is pretty simple. You can watch few videos and you'll be able to edit your videos in your laptop, in your computer, and even you can edit your videos on the go in your mobile as well. So it is not that much hard skill. You just need to spare some time for editing as well. So don't think that who will edit my videos or who will help me if I create YouTube videos. And majority of creators who are successful in YouTube right now have started with their own mobile phone. I mean, they started making videos and edited by themselves on their mobile phone and on their laptop and started uploading them. And after getting some exposure, after starting earning money from their YouTube channel, they hired professionals to edit their videos and audio and thumbnail and all. Right. So this is how, or this is the strategy which you can follow. Right. Now the last point is lack of self-confidence and self-belief. People think that whether I'll be able to do that or not, whether I'll be able to make it or not. Well, guys, you just need to keep one thing in your mind, that you have to do your duty, but do not concern about the results. So just do your work, do your duty. If you are keen to become a YouTuber, you have to think that creating YouTube videos is my duty. And don't think about the results, right? Eventually, you will see the results and positive results in your YouTube channel or in your YouTubing journey. I hope this helps, and best of luck for your YouTubing journey. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.